Welcome to this video lecture series on transportation engineering. In this session, we shall discuss on the recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement. Now, the asphalt pavement recycling, it provides the cost and environmental benefits for reusing the existing roadway materials and at the same time achieving a higher quality, lower maintenance and longer lasting roadways. This recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement, abbreviated as RAP, is defined as the removed pavement materials containing asphalt and aggregates. And these materials, they are generated when the asphalt pavements, they are removed for the reconstruction, resurfacing, or to obtain access to the buried utilities. So when properly crushed and screened, reclaimed asphalt pavement, it consists of high quality, well graded aggregates coated by the asphalt cement. So from the picture we can see the pavement which is laid by the recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement. Such type of materials, they are generated when the asphalt pavements are removed for work such as reconstruction, resurfacing to obtain the way to the buried utilities. And RAB, it consists of high quality well graded aggregates coated by the asphalt cement. There is a need for roadway maintenance and roadway deconstruction and for this a material which can be readily used for their repairs is the recycled asphalt pavement. So the current management options, first one is recycling. Here the majority of the RAP that is produced is recycled and used, although not always in the same year, that is in which it is produced. So the recycled RAP is almost always returned back into the roadway structure in any of the forms, usually incorporated into the asphalt paving by the means of hot or cold recycling. The disposal of this RAP, excess asphalt concrete is disposed of into the landfills or sometimes in the right of way. In most of these situations, this occurs where small quantities are involved or where the material is commingled with other materials or facilities are not readily available for collecting and processing the RAP. So the highway uses. So the mild or the crushed RAP, it can be used in a number of highway construction applications. These include the use as an aggregate substitute and asphalt cement supplement in the recycled asphalt paving, that is the hot mix or the cold mixes, as a granular base or subbase, stabilized base aggregates, or as an embankment or the fill material. Next is the asphalt concrete aggregate and the asphalt cement supplement. This recycled asphalt pavement, it can be used as an aggregate substitute material, but in this application it also has to provide additional asphalt cement binder, thereby reducing the demand for the asphalt cement in new or recycled asphalt mixes containing RAP. When used in the asphalt paving applications, RAP, it can be processed at either a central processing facility or on the job site, that is in situ. So the processing requirements. So the first, the hot mix asphalt. In this recycled hot mix is generally produced at a central RAP processing facility which usually contains crushers, screening units, conveyors and stackers, designed to produce a stockpile of finished granular RAP product processed to the desired gradation. So the hot mix asphalt in place recycling. So in hot in place recycling, it is a process of repaving that is performed as either a single or multiple pass operation using specialized heating, scarifying, rejuvenating, laydown and compaction equipments. So the cold mix asphalt. The RAP processing requirements for the cold mix recycling are similar to those of the recycled hot mix, except that the graded RAP product, it is incorporated into cold mix asphalt paving mixtures as an aggregate substitute. Now cold mix asphalt in place recycling. So in this particular case, the cold in place recycling process, it involves specialized plants or processing trains. whereby the existing pavement surface is milled to a depth of up to 150 mm, that is 6 inches, processed, mixed with the asphalt emulsion and placed and compacted in a single place. There is no processing required prior to that of the actual recycling operation. Now the granular base aggregate. In order to produce a granular base or a sub-base aggregate, RAP must be crushed, screened and blended with the conventional granular aggregate or sometimes reclaimed concrete material. This stabilized base aggregate, to produce a stabilized base or a sub-base aggregate, RAP, it must be crushed and screened. Then blended with one or more stabilization reagents so that the blended material, when compacted, it will gain certain amount of strength. Embankment or fill. So stockpiled RAP material, it may be used as a granular fill or a base for the embankment or backfill construction, although such an application it is not widely used and does not represent the highest or most suitable use for the RAP. So this is a reclaimed asphalt. Materials. So first thing is the physical properties. The properties of RAP are largely dependent on the properties of the constituent materials and the type of asphalt concrete mix. So both milling and crushing, it can cause some aggregate degradation. The degradation of milled RAP is generally finer and more dense than that of virgin aggregates. So crushing does not cause as much degradation of milling, and consequently the gradation of crushed RAP is generally not as fine as milled RAP, but finer than virgin aggregates crushed with the same type of equipment. The particle size distribution of milled or crushed RAP, it may vary to some extent depending on the type of the equipment used to produce the RAP, the type of aggregate in the pavement, and whether any underlying base or sub-base aggregate has been mixed in with the reclaimed asphalt pavement material during the pavement removal. So typical range of the particle size distribution for the reclaimed asphalt pavement RAP, percentage by weighing passing. This is the screen size that we have, and corresponding to it we have the percentage finer after processing or milling. So with this we shall stop. Thank you.